Hello, I'm Chris Cook, Product Manager for Vulcan Food Equipment Group. Today I'd like to talk to you about our Vulcan Countertop Restaurant Series appliances. With the Countertop Restaurant Series appliances, these appliances are designed for economy, but they're also designed for durability and made to last. Let's take a look at the charbroiler that we have on the line. The charbroiler is our VCRB, and with the VCRB you'll notice that you have cast iron radiance, grates, and burners. With the cast iron design on the charbroiler, all of those components are designed to last. They will transfer heat well across your surface. You'll have a great cooking experience with this appliance, and you'll have that durability that you come to expect from Vulcan. When we move over to our hot top, you'll notice with our hot top that we have an aeration bowl design. With the aeration bowl design, the aeration bowl encapsulates the burner. By encapsulating that burner, you're focusing your BTUs from your burner onto the bottom of your pots and pans, thereby saving you money because you're not using many BTUs to accomplish the same thing. Now, when you look inside the unit, you'll notice that you have a two-piece burner system. With the two-piece burner system, you can take the burner head off if it gets clogged, put it onto another burner, clear out the clog, and put this back in place, and you're ready to go. Inside, you will also notice that we have a flash tube pilot assembly. With the flash tube pilot assembly, it only takes one pilot to operate every two burners on the unit. By having that flash tube pilot assembly, when you think about the cost of having multiple burners operating, that's approximately $125 a year to have each burner operating, each pilot operating. By having that flash tube pilot assembly, you're cutting that cost in half. So that's an additional savings to you as well. Now, when we move on to our last item on the list, you will notice our Countertop Series griddle. With the VCRG, you have two options. You have a thermostatic griddle and you have a manual griddle. With the thermostatic griddle, you have temperature range from 250 to 500 degrees. And with the manual griddle and the thermostatic griddle, you will have a polished steel plate. And as I was saying with the other products, you have that durability because the polished steel plate is made to last. You will also notice that you have a welded splash guard on the sides and on the rear of the unit. By having that the welded splash guard design, you don't have to worry about leaks, and it's also very easy to clean. So in summary, you have your VCRG, which is your charbroiler with cast iron burners, radiance, and grates. You have your you have your hot plate, excuse me. With the hot plate, you have the aeration bowl design and the two-piece burner system, as well as the flash tube pilot assembly. And finally, you have your VCRG griddle. With the griddle, you have the polished 1-inch polished steel plate with the splash guards that are welded on the sides. And again, this entire line is designed for durability. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to Vulcan. And again, my name is Chris Cook. Thank you for your time.